First things you want to look at is obviously the company's reputation. That's very, very simple to do, checking out their online reviews, what people are saying about them, their reputation. Don't be afraid to ask the company for customer referrals that they can talk to. And a great question to ask any customer, is just how was your experience? Another big thing is checking out if they're insured. Do they have insurance? You got guys up 30 feet plus in the air on a ladder, installing. So we want to make sure there's plenty of insurance so nobody's getting short end of the stick if there is an accident. Third thing, in-house employees. A lot of companies use subcontractors. The subcontractors typically don't have insurance for this type of stuff, or it's now a battle to figure out who's going to fix it if something goes wrong 3 months down the road. Fourth thing is you want to actually see the physical product. Okay, not all systems are the same. Just a photo can be edited. Our lowest end system that's very dim can be edited to look just as bright as our brightest system on a photo. So you want to be able to physically hold these products in your hand to see exactly what you can put in your home. Now, the fifth thing is going to be, what does the company specialize in? This type of stuff, it's not that simple. It's a lot more complex. It takes a lot more into consideration to figure out how you're going to do it right, what the low limits are, how you're going to make this last 15 years, okay? And just doing it on the side probably isn't the best option when you're spending several $1,000s on the system.